Is there anyone who cannot feel this? 1, 2, okay. Press the middle of your palm. Same on the other side. All we do here is we just put more attention to the middle, and you may pick it up easier. Usually about 90% of people feel it the first time, and even 90% of people can see it the first time when we do this. The other 10% may see it later or may never see it, I don't know. Everybody's different. Good. Now you can try a little trick. Just go up and down your forearm and see if you can feel that. We're already getting into the exercises of how to develop this more. Everything explained here. If you're a fast reader, you can learn healing in one day. My book includes these QR codes. So you point your cell phone. If you didn't understand the move, it will take you to a video online, and you can watch. There's 31 videos associated with the book.